Hello class 4. Today we are going to learn chapter 4 in computer, okay, formatting documents. Now in this chapter you learn about formatting and aligning text in MS Word 2010. You learn about formatting and aligning text in MS Word 2010, inserting bullets and numbering, inserting pictures in an MS Word document, inserting pictures in an MS Word document, printing and closing a document. You learn about printing and closing a document also. Now look at page number 57. Here first we have got formatting text. Formatting text is much faster and simpler in MS Word 2010. So it is simpler and much faster in MS Word 2010. MS Word has option in the Home tab to format the font, paragraph and style. MS Word has got the option in the Home tab. Here you can see the Home tab. In the Home tab, what have you got? To font, you have got the font, paragraph and style. You have got the font, paragraph and style in the Home tab. Now in the Home tab you have got font, everything is here. Style, which style you want, if you want to. Now I have calibrate. Now I want to change this. Then Elegant. Now go to Home tab, you select this and Home tab and you just change the style. Here I have changed the style. In the Home tab you can do all these things using the Home tab. Now to format the font, select the text to be formatted. Just now I did. You select the text to be for click on the Home tab. You click on the Home tab, choose the font. You choose the font, which font you want, its size. Your font is here, font here, which font you want here, font. Then the size is here, which size, 8, there 72, this is the size, font size and color also you can choose the color. Font color there, which color you want, red. You select this and go to Home and select the color. You select the color here, there I put red. So you can do this with the use of the Home tab. And list of different styles of fonts is displayed on the font group down menu. Now the size can be chosen from the font size. The size can be chosen from the font size here. Size can be chosen from the font size here. The size can be chosen from there. Now number 5, to choose the font color, select the text and then choose the desired color from the font color drop down menu. Font color drop down menu. From the font color drop down menu, you choose which color you want. From the drop down menu, you choose the color, whichever color you want. You can choose the color, font color. While choosing the font color, we should always keep certain things in mind. Number 1, the font color should not be very light. The font color should not be very light, else reading the text becomes very difficult. If it's very light, it's very difficult to read the text. Number 2, in a black white printout, bright light colors are often not readable. In the black and white printout, light colors are often not readable. There is a special feature in MS Word 2010. Whenever we select a piece of text, the quick font toolbar appears so that the font can be formatted directly for its style, size, color and other basic characteristics. So in MS Word 2010 there is a whenever we select a piece of text, the quick font toolbar appears. Quick font toolbar appears so that the font can be formatted directly for its style, size, color and other basic characteristics. Now, do you know What would happen if you click the arrow at the bottom right hand corner of the font group? Dialog box appears. If you font dialog box, if you click on this arrow, what appears? A dialog box appears. Here you can see the dialog box. A dialog box appears. If you click at the bottom right hand corner of the font group, you can format the font style. You can format the font style, type, style and size using the font tab in the dialog box. You can format the font style and size using the font tab in the dialog. So here you can use this and you can format. The advanced tab in the dialog box allows you to change the scale, spacing and position parameters. Here, all this can be changed of the characters. So this is how you format text in MS Word 2010. Now in the next class we will continue with alignment of text. Till then, take care.